Greetings and welcome to the Adobe Lightroom Masterclass. This course is going to take you from beginner to expert in using one of the most powerful photo editing and organization applications out there. We start right from the basics, configuring Lightroom preferences and navigating the interface. From there, you'll learn to import and sort your images like a pro, using catalogs, keywords, filters, and smart collections. We show you how to set up your own in-home studio by hooking up your camera directly to Lightroom, known as tethering. Learn to edit your photos like a pro using Lightroom's Develop module. You'll learn all the ins and outs of working with histograms, white balance, exposure correction, image clarity, tone curves, and many other expert techniques to get the most out of your photos. This course offers an in-depth look into geotagging your photos using GPS. You'll even learn to convert photo collections into stunning web galleries, slideshows, and photo books. We explore different ways to share your photos through social media platforms like Facebook and Flickr directly through Lightroom. You'll learn to easily print custom-sized, high-resolution photos right through your own home printer. This is just a small snapshot of the features we explore. Take a look at our course curriculum for a full overview of all the exciting things you will learn. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to get in touch with us if you have any questions.